Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to fix the we couldn't verify your country error on YouTube Premium, you have to follow these steps. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to the correct account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After opening your profile page, scroll down until you see the option Get YouTube Premium and tap on it. If you are trying to purchase YouTube Premium but receive the message saying we couldn't verify your country, the issue may be related to your payment method details. In that case, remove the payment method you previously added and enter it again carefully. Make sure all the card details, billing address, and other information are correct. After updating the details, try purchasing YouTube Premium again. If the problem still continues, another method you can try is using a VPN. Turn on a VPN and select a server from a country where YouTube Premium is available. After connecting to the server, go back to the YouTube app and try the purchase again. If you are using an iPhone, another helpful step is clearing the app storage. To do this, open your device settings, then go to General and tap on iPhone storage. In the list of apps, find and select YouTube. After opening it, tap on Offload app and confirm by tapping Offload app again. This will clear the app's cache and store data without deleting the app itself. Once the process is done, open the YouTube app again and try getting YouTube Premium. In many cases, this resolves the verification issue, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. So that's all for this video.